and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before and this is your first time, welcome. My name is Rachel. I'm into lifestyle and motherhood on my YouTube channel. I do breastfeeding 101. I do decluttering, cleaning motivation. I also do hauls. I do grocery hauls. I do clothing hauls, anything decluttering, KonMari method, anything like that. So if you guys like any of that, make sure you subscribe down below. Today's video is going to be a fall decor haul. We tried to stay a little bit away from Halloween, and we tried to go for a more subtle, like just fall kind of, look. And I have a few videos that I took while I was in the store shopping around, showing you guys what our Dollar Tree has, because this is going to be from Dollar Tree. I went there first because you can always find like anything possible, and I've been needing to do this for a while. I was going to do it at Walmart, but for small pieces of decor, they want like $4 or $5, maybe $6 for like small little things, even though they're so cute. But Dollar Tree had it all, and I am like so blessed to have a Dollar Tree where I live. So anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So let's go through some of the things we got. I have them still all in our bags because I just got home. Annabelle today said her first Halloween word. She said scarecrow and pumpkin. So I'm very blessed. We actually went to the doctor today so she can get her second lead screening, and she got it through her arm, like an IV in her arm. She did not scream or nothing. She just looked at the lady and said, "That hurts." And that was it. So very blessed to have a strong little independent girl, because I'd be crying if I was her. Anyway, so here's our first bag. We have 3 bags here. So we first walked in, and you guys could see in my videos I just had before this playing that this was one of the first signs that you saw. This is actually an outdoors sign, and you can see it's got like a little brown thing. They're all from Dollar General. They're just all decor. I'm thinking I'm going to put this in the house somewhere, maybe like when you first walk in the door. It says, "Welcome to our pumpkin patch." I thought it was just adorable. I love the glitter. I love the orange. There was another one too that said pumpkin spice and everything nice. I felt like everything said that. I just felt like that was too plain, and it wasn't, not girly, but like I felt like it wasn't me, and it wasn't for my family. So we got this. Another thing from that bag Novelle picked out, we got a little scarecrow. And this little guy is so cute. She picked up a pumpkin one, and it had like the blue flannel and the really pretty like bowl design, like the bowl plaid. It was so cute, but then she ended up not wanting it. She wanted this guy. That's when she said scarecrow, and she thought he was cute. So, and you could pull his arms in if you want, or you could pull them back because they're just like material. They come in, and he just sits down because he has a little stand, which is pretty cool. Another thing I got, maybe I should show you this with the next one. I'll just show it to you now. It's just a wreath hanger, and I figured for my outside of my door, because we were just going to get a command strip, but I figured, this is going to be so much easier. It'll fit on top of the door, so it's just like a little wide angled one, and it's orange, and it has glitter on it. Oh, well, it did. Maybe it was just from the other things, and I thought it was glitter. That's okay, though. It's still cute. It's orange. It looks really cool. All right, next one. So as I was walking out, I noticed these, and now it's all glittery, but hey, like it looks even better because it's glittery. You guys can see the glitter. I was walking out and I saw this, and I just had to grab it. I figured because we have ours over here, they're more for summer, and we don't use them because we got them as a wedding gift, and I don't use them. They're just for decorations. So this is going to be the next one. We probably won't use this either. So yeah, that was really cute, and this is at your local Dollar Tree as well. Also, just a disclaimer, I'm not sure if your Dollar Tree actually has all of these items. This is just what my Dollar Tree did here in New York State. But if you guys does, I want to let me know down below, comment down below, let me know what you guys had run into that you found at the same exact Dollar Tree if you go there, and let me know what you guys found that was similar to mine or exactly the same. Anyway, we also found this little vampire straw cup, and it's just like it comes right back out, which I'm kind of about because I don't want her throwing it around. But yeah, she wanted the vampire. I told her just one, and she picked it up and said one. I realized that, but then she wanted the other ones, and she didn't. She thought if she just hands you one by one, she can get them all. Sly, no really sly. We did get a command strip for stuff, just in case, but we ended up getting that. Just in case, you know, you never know. And then Novelle saw this. This is for the door. Of course, she was wiggling it around. I think it's really cute. It's so me. It has purple in it, which I absolutely adore. It looks like it's more, like it's older. I love how the leaves are on the little bow. And then I love the twine wrapped around, and then the lace. I think this is just adorable. There were other colors too that had like a purple bell, green bell, stuff like that, but it didn't feel spooky enough to me. Like I want fall to be spooky, but like less Halloween, but like more fall type, you know, ballistic. So the last thing in this bag, which is why everything's all glittery. Oh, and I also got, finally, after 2 years of me telling everybody, a spoon rest. And I never knew what this was called. I thought it was like a, I don't even know. I have to wash it, but it's a spoon rest. And you just sit it like that, like this, on your stove. And then you put your, like, used spoons in it. And I've never had one. And I looked for one for forever. Well, today, I just kind of glanced and I found one. I found a white plastic one, and then I found this one. So I grabbed it because I needed it. That's not part of the haul, though. Okay, so I have this as well. And I fell completely in love with this. I love the glitter. I love how this moves around. I'm obsessed. It is cardboard, as you can tell from like the back of it. But I really like this. I like how there's a truck with a pumpkin, and specifically it's an older truck. And I'm into old trucks and just the way it looks. There was another one like this that was like, had sunflowers on it. And you guys, if you guys are new to my channel, you wouldn't know this. But if you guys have been here for a long time, you know that I'm obsessed with sunflowers. And oddly enough, I didn't get really anything with sunflowers, I don't think. We'll have to wait to the end and I'll tell you guys if I did or not. But I thought this was really cute. It just screamed fall to me, obviously. Hello, fall. This is going to go out on our door. When you first walk in, you'll see it. And you can just hang it up like this. That's why we got the wreath hanger. We were going to make a wreath, and we might still do that as like a secondary video for fall. I'm not exactly sure. You guys should comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see this fall, because I am just so excited to start making these videos. You have no idea. Like all the other YouTubers that I follow are like posting or saying things about fall and fall clean with me, and I'm just obsessed. I'm ready. I'm going. Let's go. All right, so the last bag that I got. I picked up these as we were picking up the bell also. I thought this was really cute. Novelle said scarecrow, and she's also said pumpkin. We didn't get any pumpkins this time, but we will get some next time. But we picked this up. These are the gel ones, and I thought it would be really cute to put it on our window in our living room as we are trying to like block it so people can't see all the way in anyway. So we made sure we got this. And then I'm not sure if you guys saw, in the video you saw a little like corn that I had picked up. We almost got that. The reason we did not get it was because to me, where I grew up, it's like all Native American culture. And I felt like people would judge me and think that I was only getting it for that reason and stuff, especially families. So I did not get it, but I thought it was really cute and unique. So let me know if you guys got it. It was really pretty. Okay, enough of my ranting. We also got this one. There were plenty of these, as you guys saw, but this one caught my eye because, oh, I lied. I had something with sunflowers. But it just says, harvest, be thankful, hello, autumn, with some other things. Me and Novelle are definitely going to be hanging these up together. And then the last but not least thing that I got from the Dollar Tree is this little sign right here. It has the twine. I really like the twine. Like, I'm obsessed. I think twine really screams fall also. And plus, we have like a farmhouse, and it just makes me feel better. This also has sunflowers and daisies on it, but it says thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. And if you guys have also been here to my channel before, I have a video, and right above in my kitchen it says thankful, blessed, and grateful. So yeah, this will go with that, definitely. So, okay, don't forget, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, give it a thumbs down. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so. My upload times for the fall season will be every Sunday and Tuesday, so make sure you click that alarm bell and tune in so you never miss a future video. You can hear Novelle in the background. She's playing with her bells already, so that's going to be a hit. I think that was a one-hit wonder. So, Anyway, I will see you guys in my future video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until the next one, God bless you. Bye.